Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL on Ubuntu 26.04. Whether you're setting up a development environment, learning SQL, or preparing a server for production, this guide will walk you through everything you need. I will install it on my Contabo VPS server. First, let me connect to the server. First things first, before we install anything, we need to make sure our package list as well as packages are up to date on the system. Now for the main event. We are going to install the MySQL server package. Type this command. Once installed, start and enable the MySQL service for automatic start after system boot. Once started, to check the status of the MySQL service, you can use the following command. Look for the text that says active. If it says inactive or dead, don't panic. Just use this command to wake it up. You can use start instead of restart, and to stop the service, just use stop. To check the version installed, you can use this command. Alright, here's the step where 90% of people get hacked. They skip the security setup. There is a built-in script that locks things down. Run this command. Since I will use this just for testing, I will select low, since I do not want to use complex passwords, but in a production environment, select strong. We don't want blank users floating around, so select yes. Disallow root login remotely. Type yes. This is crucial. Your root user should only be able to log in from your own computer, not from the internet. That is how easy it is to get MySQL running on the latest Ubuntu 26.04. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.